Machini ya kwa Ramogi wadhi nyime gi weche kama koro wadonje mago mag tuke. Jatend migawo mar weche tuke Salim Vuria kawuono bedo gi romo gi komiti matayo ikruok mag tuke pinje Afrika higa mar 2027 ma ibiro bagi kind pinje mag Kenya, Uganda gi Tanzania. Kano wuoye kinde romo mamano obede ya apisi mag tend migawo no, Vuria ojiwo sir mar sirkal mamalo ka onyisi komiti no mondo rang okenge mag manyo yore ywayo joket mwandu mabiro jiwo sir ma sirkal oseketo ne tukego. Kamachielo bende okwayo Jokenya mondo obedi ong'ala manyime e sungo tukego kaachiel kod chiwo sir ne tim mar Harambee Stars.
The Africa Cup of Nations is not just a sporting event, but this is a tournament which brings Kenya together. It is a tournament that also inspires the different facets of our economy. Tourism, for example, will be very, very critical, and I have advised that it is important to make sure that we use the opportunity to market our magical Kenya. And the Kenya Tourism Board is already working on an arrangement to see how they can be part of the partners in the Africa Cup of Nations. This tournament again brings a whole profile for our country to be a strategic investment destination, and therefore we are not just looking at this tournament as a football competition. We are looking at this tournament as an opportunity to rally our economic inspiration so that they can also be inspired during this period.